You can use top-down planning in Oracle Sales Planning to set an overall quota target. You can optimize your results by making adjustments by product or account, applying padding or seasonality, or performing predictive planning or what-if analysis. When the sales quota is ready, allocate it to the next level in the hierarchy, a decentralized approach called top-down waterfall, or use a more centralized approach to allocate sales quota from the highest level of the hierarchy down to each level throughout the entire sales hierarchy. Let's review the quota allocated to one of the sales VPs. As a sales VP, I want to review my target quota as well as other key measures. To plan for my team's quota, I want to allocate target quotas to my regional sales managers. I'll allocate quota using the waterfall method to plan sales quota one step below me in the hierarchy to the regions. I'll adjust the regional sales quota. We plan to have a new sales rep in the central region, so I will increase the quota. Then, I'll adjust the other regions so that the total quota remains the same. I can plan for expected seasonal impact to the sales quota. I'll make adjustments to the plan. I want to include overlay targets to plan for those not directly responsible for the quota but who do support us in meeting quota targets. Overlay growth percentage is based on a percentage over last year's impacted bookings. I'll review the predefined dashboard to gain insight into the overall quota planning. I'll review the information by industry, territory, product, or other categorizations. Now, each regional sales manager can review the quota for their teams. After reviewing their assigned quota, the regional manager can assign quota to each of the sales reps. Furthermore, I can adjust quota by account. In this case, I can move an account from one territory to another and can see the quota move with it. Quota can be adjusted by product. In this case, I increased the quota for laptop and decreased it on servers. The central division will have a new sales rep. I'll add a new territory for that sales rep and assign some quota to it. I'll review to check the updated quota plan. If I use the top-down planning method, I can allocate quotas for all territories to the lowest level in the hierarchy to include all regional managers and their teams with one action. After my initial target is set, I can review the overall target quota. I can pad the results. Padding is a final company-wide adjustment at the top level to adjust the whole target quota. For example, to modify quotas in anticipation of known or possible risks. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.